Assalamu alaikum Rahmatullahi Barakatu. Right now we're at the Undergrad Research Symposium, inshallah ta'ala judging. So we'll see how things go. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for all students to provide their introductory research and methodology and results and implications throughout their presentations. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen. And may He Jalla Jalaluhu fi Ula allow us to reach the highest of destinations with Him. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen.
Undergraduate Research Symposium. We're so excited to have you all. I apologize for the little bit of a rush.
So Alhamdulillah Alameen. These are the posters, inshallah ta'ala. Another will be coming in for judging. Barakallahu feekum.
App, but we're doing this research study for that app in order to validate it. It's sustainable behavior modification through gamification techniques and personalized AI integration feedback. All right, so let's get into the issues in that with our energy usage that has surged in Canada by about 65% in the last decade. Let's look at the solution.
Members that were not introduced to the idea of screen sync or were educated about
being in a common conspiracy. Summer of 2024.
Okay,
So,
okay,
yeah,
that makes sense. Okay, well done.
Thanks.
Maybe one last question. Do you have time? So, for example, what would you like to do with this, right? Are there people that you could talk to so that you could tell them, like, go ahead and follow the, federal example instead of reinventing the wheel? So, if you wanted to implement this, for example, are there mechanisms for you to go and say, this is what I found, would you be interested in the results? So,
I'm not 100% sure about applications of this,
And anyone else? What do you think of Jane Austen? Same? Yeah, pretty much. So for many, people typically think of her as one of the great novelists. Pride and Prejudice is one of her most famous novels. And as I point out, she's known for her work in Pride and Prejudice and Sense and Sensibility. But what people don't realize is that aside from her 6 main novels, she
good, or, you see what I mean? Like, what makes the Watsons more special on this, other than all the novels? And by extension, any novel.
Unless it follows exactly what she's done in other things, and you're like, yeah, anybody would look at that and say that's J.J. Austen's work. That's a possibility as well.
Yeah, and also, is this written as a play as opposed to, let's say, Pride and Prejudice, which is in a novel format?
Yes, exactly. So what we'll notice about Austen's manuscript is that the Watsons is written like a complete, it's like a